This is a nice one, and I think this can be left for the second attempt. So we are given c1 is x square plus y square is 1. Now recall that c1 minus c2 is the equation of the radical axis, which is the locus of the points for which the tangent C2 are of same length. So the claim is that the midpoint, the line joining midpoints of PQ and ST is the same line as radical axis, because what we are given is this is our circle, say this is our second circle, and this is our line, then this and this are the midpoints. So the tangents to both the circles from this point, from these points, are of the same length. So this is same as this, and similarly, so this gives us a line. So this should be the same line as the radical axis, because these 2 points should lie on this locus, because these 2 points satisfy the condition that the tangents on both the circles are of the same length, and as 2 points determine a unique line. So if 2 lines intersect on 2 points, then the lines should be the same. So this line indeed is the radical axis. So c1 minus c2 gives us the equation of radical axis as 8x plus 2y minus 17 equals to c1 minus c2. And so this gives us 8x plus 2y equals to 18 minus r square. The x-intercept is 18 minus r square by 8, 0. Let this x-intercept be h, 0. Then we have the distance AB, which is 4 minus h square plus 1 minus 0 square 1 equals 5. So that gives me h equals to 2. So that gives me 18 minus r square by 8, because this is the x-intercept and h, 0 was the x-intercept for this line. So these two must be the same. That gives me r square equals to 2. The answer is 2.